So I received a package with couple device, MacBook Pro, model number is a1398. He said this USB here, it has no power, no data. This USB here, it has no data, but it has the power. He already changed this board, but still the problem. And he sent this board in case if I need any chip from it. And you can see this board is missing a lot of components, processor, GPU, RAMs, missing a lot of chips. Even it missed the port. So I would like to replace the port, to try it first, but it has no port. So this is okay. Yeah, I removed the shield here covering the USB, and I'm going to check and I did resolder the pins in case if any has a crack, and we're going to check the diode mode, and we compare it with this one. Even we have a lot of ICs missing, but we still can use it. So this is a ground, open line, got a reading over there. We have a ground here. So is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 2 is the ground. Number 5, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the ground as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 is the ground. And here we have reading. So let's start. It should be this way. Okay. So this one, number 1 open line, number 2 is the ground. Number 1 open line, number 2 is a ground. But here, number 2 is not the ground, is a 0.4 volt. No ground, reading, and we have ground. Here we have reading, we have ground here, we have reading here. So we have reading, ground, reading. That's good. Reading, ground, okay. And here, open line, ground, open line. Okay, open line. Okay, we have reading here. We have ground, and we have some reading here. We don't have no reading here, but maybe because the processor is missing. But this one, what I'm gonna focus on, this pad here, is this one is a ground, this one is not a ground. So let's see where that pad is going. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go. This is a filter. So this pad is go to this filter. It looks like it's a power line, maybe 5 volt, and it's go to this IC. Yes. So the filter is still good. And we have a capacitor over there. Okay. There is a surge in this capacitor because that capacitor in the same line as this one. So this capacitor here is not surged. So yeah. I'm gonna put some voltage and I'm gonna check what spot is getting warm here. So that line usually is a 5 volt, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna set up the power supply at 1 volt. In case if it is that line is connected to the processor, we don't want to send more than 1 volt to the processor. You can see it's set up at 1.4 the power supply. So let's monitor this one here. So we're looking at that area, and I'm gonna put, okay, you see that this one is getting hot. So let's dim everything and we try again. Yep. So right on the IC is getting hot. Yeah, you can see it's right on the IC that the spot is getting hot. Yeah, 43 degrees, and keep going. And we can use the same thing, use some alcohol, and we'll be sure that's this is the chip. So I put a little alcohol. Yeah, I see the IC is getting dry. I don't know if you can see that, but I see the IC. Yeah, you can see the IC is getting dry. So this is the MacBook. The customer sent it with new screen. So just plug it to HDMI to my TV, and let's test the USB. Okay, we have some light over there, and it's flashing. This means the computer is detecting it. It came right over there, the OS X 1115. Yeah, this one here. So if I unplug the flash drive, it's gonna go off. So let's test the other USB. The light is on and is flashing. Look like it's gonna detect it. It came right there. The two USB ports are fixed and connected fine. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.